In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the recurve crossbow in one's human. So, as you can see right here on my screen, I'm currently at the mystical crate where you can get the recurve crossbow, and I'm going to claim it right now. There we go, just claimed it. So, where you can actually find it, if we look at the map, you want to go inside the red sands area, actually quite at the bottom of it, somewhere in between Greywater Camp and Blackfell, to a city which is called Evergreen. And now, in this Evergreen city, there's a big building in the middle, okay? And this is kind of the main building in this city, so right in the middle of it. And what you want to do is go to that building and get to its roof. So, as you can see over here, it can be quite tricky. However, you have to make your way up this roof, and then on this roof, you'll be able to see kind of this tower, okay? So, what you then want to do is walk up to the tower, go up this ladder over here, so simply climb up it, and then you'll have to jump in there. So you'll have to jump inside the tower, and in there will be this mystical crate which includes the recurve crossbow blueprint. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get the recurve crossbow in one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.